Hi again, today I'm showing you an AMGO 4-post wheel alignment lift supplied by Equipment for Garages in the UK. For those that don't know the AMGO brand and its sister company Peak, they are one of the world's largest vehicle lift producers. So rest assured, it's not a lift that is relabeled. AMGO has 3 wheel alignments available in the UK. Basically, they're all the same design, but with different lifting capacities and different length platforms. So a 4-ton, 4.6 meter platform, 5.5 ton, which is a 5.1 meter platform, and 6.5 ton, which is a 5.5 meter platform. All 3 lifts are available in 1-phase or 3-phase, and there is no price difference. And also, AMGO produces their own power packs and hydraulic ramps, so you can be rest assured it's good quality. Wheel alignment lifts are referred to as dual revenue lifts because they not only allow you to carry out conventional repairs, but you can also carry out wheel alignment, which is considered a good revenue stream because it saves customers having to go to another workshop or tire bay to get their wheels aligned, especially after any steering or suspension repairs on the vehicle. Now let me run you through the main features of this lift. First off, it's a 24-volt control panel with lowering safety feature. This lift lowers to 300 mm and stops and buzzer sounds to ensure nothing should be obstructing its further descent. Also, mechanical self-lock with air-driven safety release. Yes, you will need an air supply. The locking system is dual safety. Upper and lower limiting switches. It has removable front platform sections to take turning plates. AMGO also supplies turning plates. Anti-skid platforms. Another feature that can be useful for some users is that one of the platforms can be moved to allow for narrow vehicles. Rear sleep plates that can be locked in place. And finally, if you find that you could have done with a longer platform in the near future, you can always have our extendable platforms to allow for much longer vehicles. So there you have it, another great lift available in the UK from equipmentforgarages.com. Don't forget to like this video, leave us a comment with any of the questions, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.